Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. K's Academy. My name is Muslim Khan. In this video, we will discuss the most fundamental but often misunderstood topic in AutoCAD, which is line and polyline. We will discuss that how to draw line and polyline, what is the difference between them, shortcut keys for each, and how to convert one to other. And at the end, we will give you tips that where to use line and polyline. So, if you are a beginner or even an intermediate AutoCAD user, understanding this can help you create cleaner, more efficient drawings. So, let's start the video. So, we have to discuss what is how to draw line and polyline. So, for drawing line and polyline, you have to come and see an AutoCAD interface. Here you can see it is shown line. So, you can draw according to the coordinates if you give x and y value. So I am drawing this randomly. So you can see here, click on first point and specify next point. So we have to click on it, and this our line has been drawn. So now we have to draw a fully line. So as here you can see it is written fully line. You have to click on any point. So our line and fully line has been created. Now we have to discuss what is the difference when we dealing with line. So when we click on each segment, so every segment are separated, and we can edit each segment. Let I have to click on this segment. This is our line. So I have to create, and this each segment is selected, and I want to change its properties. So I can change its color properties individually. So its color has been changed. You can see here in line each segment is selected individually. You can see here, but in fully line, this is our fully line. When I click on each segment, so it's the uh, overall. So the overall figure has been selected. So let I have to click on this segment. You can see the overall segment, the overall the overall fully line has been selected. So the main difference between them is that in line we can edit each and every segment, but in polyline when we edit, so the overall changes take place to the overall line, the overall fully line. So now we have to discuss shortcut keys for each. For line, you have to delete this one. So for line, you have to type LI or sample L in the command line. So you have to only type L in the command line. You can see here, this is shortcut key for line. And now we have to discuss the shortcut key for fully line. So for fully line, you have to type just VL in the command line. You can see here. So this is our fully line. You can see here. When I click on each segment, so the overall figure has been selected. So our fully line shortcut key is VL and line shortcut key is L. So now we have to discuss that how we can convert one into other. So this is our line, and this is our fully line VL. This you can see here. This one is our line. So you can see here each segment is selected separately, click on it, and this is our polyline. So you can see here when I click on edge segment, so the overall figure has been selected. So now you have to convert line into polyline or polyline into line. So for converting line into polyline, you just have to select line, overall line, and you have to type in the command line simply J or join. So you can join. So you can convert into polyline. So you can see here and press enter. So when I click on this segment, the overall figure has been selected. Now I want to convert this into line. So for that you have to exclude this. You have to type in the command line ex and v. You can exclude exv as a shortcut key. You have to type only x in the command line. You can see here x is exclude. This is a shortcut key. I have to select this segment. So you can see here the one segment has been selected, not the overall figure. So I want to convert this all into field. So you have to type J in the command line. You can see here this is converted into polyline. So for converting from line to polyline, you just need to type from line to polyline. You just need to type J in the command line and select the overall figure. Press enter, and vice versa. So now we have to discuss that we are to use polyline. We generally prefer when we are dealing with boundaries of the structure or any drawing, we are using polyline. When we are we dealing with the hatchings, we prefer to use polyline. And when we are dealing with area calculation, so we are using polyline. So this was all about line and polyline. If you have any question about this or anything related to AutoCAD, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.